What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO Stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news might be the catalyst for this asset for upcoming months. And at the end of this video, I will share my thought and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when this asset bounced off the range of support that I marked previously. And I've told you that this asset is forming some kind of descending triangle, and we had 3 touches of this range of support and 3 touches of range of resistance. And when this asset reaches its apex, definitely we have to see a breakout, and this breakout is imminent. And let me show you that since I made my previous video, this asset again retested this range of resistance, bounced back, and for now it is still in consolidation phase. This means this range was properly drawn, and this means we have to see the breakout. And in my technical analysis, I will show you what should we expect and how we have to prepare for this. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let's start with this one. On November 21st, we have this article that is titled China EV Insurance Registrations for Week Ending November 19th. NIO 3700 vehicles. And as you can see, Li Auto is a leader among other companies. They registered about 10,000 vehicles, and NIO is on the 5th place with 3,700 vehicles. Let me show you some more data. NIO vehicles had 3,700 insurance registrations in China last week, up 27.59% from 2,900 the week before, according to the figures shared by Li Auto. Between November the 1st and November 19, a total of 9,400 NIO vehicles were registered for insurance in China. And I have to say that, as you can see, the last month wasn't the best one, because it is the second worst month for the second half of this year. And definitely this bounce to the upside has to have a confirmation and has to have a trend continuation in order to hold the position of NIO from the fundamental standpoint. And guys, let me show you that this chart is quite choppy, and I have to say that we have to see more smoothness on this chart in order to rely for 100% on its capabilities. Let me show you, for example, Li Auto vehicle insurance registrations. As you can see, they definitely have some kind of choppy movements, but these movements are not so high compared to the NIO's movements. And guys, let me show you that even Tesla has extremely choppy movements on their insurance registrations in China. But in general, Tesla is in much more favorable position because it is definitely a leader among all the EV manufacturers. So let me show you another news that might be important for the company. NIO to report Q3 earnings on December the 5th. And we know that they delivered 55,432 vehicles in the third quarter, slightly above the lower end of the guidance range of 55,000 to 57,000 vehicles. And definitely, this quarter should be quite positive. But the most important part is this one. The company's management will hold an earnings call on December the 5th at 7 a.m. US Eastern Time. And on this earnings call, we have to see more clarification about the future of the company and the projections regarding the upcoming quarters and the upcoming year. And only this information that we will have, that we will see in this on this earnings call, will be the most important one and will be the catalyst for NIO price action. And let me show you another news. So, again, on cnvpost.com you can find this article that is titled NIO says next-gen battery packs for mass market will be what it will share. And I have to say that NIO for now is an unique company. It has a very unique technology of battery swap stations, and we know that this technology might be very useful not only for NIO but other companies that might be NIO partners in order to share the expenses on this technology and in order to bring new potential cash flow source for NIO itself. And in my opinion, it is also quite positive news, but it is not the short-term catalyst. Next one. NIO plans MPV model based on its third generation technology platform, and it is the official mention of their NT 3.0 platform. And we know that they just recently switched to NT 2.0 platform in Q2 of this year. But the next platform should be even more effective from the customer standpoint, and what is more importantly, it should be more effective from the margin, gross margin standpoint, from the NIO's point of view. And definitely all of these catalysts are very important for the company, but they are not the closest catalyst, and we don't have any short-term major catalysts that might drive its price to the upside. The closest one is definitely their earnings report, but it will take place within just a couple of weeks. And that is why, guys, let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, definitely this asset is in consolidation phase, and I've told you on my previous video that we have an algo trade target at $6.73. And how you can define this target? If you use a FIB retracement tool from the swing high to swing low, from this point to this one, and if you can see the reaction, very clear reaction from the ranges of 0.5 at $8.22 or 0.65, 0.618, it is a golden pocket range. This means algo trades entered their short position on NIO with a price target of negative 0.236, and their invalidation point will be at 0.786 FIB level at $8.79. And how we can benefit out of this price action? I have to say that first of all we have to see a breakout, because for now, as you can see, we are in the middle of basically nowhere. We are in the middle of this pattern, and it is very difficult in current environment to predict the price action of certain assets. This means we have to rely on the ranges of support and resistances. We have a range of resistance right here, this sloping line, and if this asset will have something like this, if it breaks this range to the upside, retest it from the top, and with the conviction of volume, it will break its previous swing high, definitely it will be a first confirmation sign that it can go higher. And on this range, where it will retest this range as the range of support, here you might accumulate your position with a price target of several swing highs that we had previously. On the other hand, if this asset will retest the range of support to the downside, as you can see, we might have the breakout below this range, then retest this level as the range of resistance, and in this at this point you can accumulate your short position, but you have to be very cautious. Short positions are much more riskier than the long positions, because theoretically your losses might be infinite. And the price target will be negative 0.236 at the price point of $6.73. But definitely, for now, you have to wait for the confirmation, because we are not trying to predict the market. We are reacting on the market depending on the price action. And that is why, guys, subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and in this case, you will not miss my next video. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.